Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Authenticator from iPhone and export backup step by step clearly. To uninstall Microsoft Authenticator from your iPhone, start by locating the app on your device. Tap and hold the Microsoft Authenticator icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the options presented. Next, choose Delete App to confirm the uninstallation. Now, let's ensure you export your backup before uninstalling. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap on the three dots or the settings gear, usually found at the top right corner. Select Backup from the menu. Ensure that Cloud Backup is enabled in your account settings. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. The app will begin the backup process and inform you once it's complete. After the backup is confirmed, you can proceed with the uninstallation. Remember, uninstalling the app will not affect your backup stored in the cloud. Once you've successfully deleted the app, verify that your backup is accessible. Reinstall Microsoft Authenticator anytime by downloading it from the App Store. Once installed, sign in with your Microsoft account to restore your backup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.